Welcome back to my new video. This video, we are going to look at how we can print table results. Okay, so I'm going to call it O4-print table results. Okay, so I'm going to steal some code here up to this point. And then paste it in. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to use the execute SQL function. Okay, so what we're going to do is say orders underscore table is equal to table environment dot execute SQL, and this is going to take a statement and then return a table environment. Okay, so let's put that in, and then we can say we want to select name, country, and then the revenue from this table, so let me pass this in. This format is to pass in is formatting string, and then I'm going to pass in the orders. Okay, so basically we are passing the table inside this SQL. Okay, so we are selecting the name, the country, revenue from this table. Okay, and this is going to return table environment or table results. So now we can say this is returning table results, and this is just a table. This returns a table object. So now we can say orders table dot can we get a schema? Okay, we can print the schema, and then from there we can also say orders table dot print. Okay, so this is what we want. So this is basically like SQL, but we are running SQL on this table. Okay, using the execute SQL function, and this returns a table result set, and then we can now run the print on it. Okay, so let's run this. So the print method is to just print the content of the table to the console. Okay, so as you can see, the schema is printed out as well as the table itself. So if I had grouped by something and then or selected just few of the column, let's see if this is going to work. Let's put in star meaning that all the columns. Okay, so let's run that. Okay, so the star also works. And the other way we can print out the table to the console as rows is we can do this. We can use the collect I think I should leave this for now. We'll come back to it. There's another video that I'm going to do on this. We can also filter where country is equal to, let's say, France. Okay, so this is just basic SQL. So let's run this and see what the result looks like. Yeah, it's taking a bit of time. So let's wait patiently for it. Um, I wish I can pause the video whilst it's still processing, but let's just wait for it. So as you can see, the result is out and printed out. You can see that we only filtered by the country France. Okay, so this, we could have also grouped by the name and then sum the revenue column, okay, as we did in the previous video. Okay, so this is how you can create a table, run SQL on top of that table, okay, and then print the results out. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.